Just as small upgrades add up to a major improvement for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, small refinements in design and execution make cases for the Z Fold 4 much better than the previous generation. Cases that protect the outer hinge are much more prevalent, and adhesives have been moved or upgraded to help avoid cases falling off and leaving your phone hanging, or worse, falling to the ground face first. From swanky cases that are as prestigious as they are productive to miniature tanks to protect these awesome Android phones, there is a case for every type of owner here. So please don't leave your foldable naked and afraid, but use the best Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases and give it the security it deserves. Yes, the Cosmo series is known for its feminine appeal and distinct marble stylings, but it also gives us the best clear Z Fold 4 case. On i-Blason's website, they call it the Hello, but this is the exact same design and construction as the Cosmo Pro and is called the Cosmo everywhere else. It's just crystal clear instead of rose gold and swirled marble. This case has a rotating flat that covers Fold 4 hand closed, serves as a grip when the phone is open, and stores away that fancy S Pen Fold edition. So you never forget it because it is clear. You can see whether the pen is in or out every time you pick up or open or close the phone. While it may seem odd to put a $50 case as value pick, this is one of those instances it comes down to value for your money, not just pure affordability. Drop tested against 10-foot impacts, this case won't just show off your Galaxy Z Fold 4, it will genuinely protect it too. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to catch your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.